Hi everyone, welcome back in Maths class 7th. Today we'll discuss about problem sums of chapter decimals. So first problem, that is Ram Singh distributed 1.5 liter of milk equally among 5 students. How many milliliters of milk did one student get? Total milk distributed by Ram is 1.5 liter. So first line you will write down Ram distributed milk is equals to 1.5 liter. And now students, we have to find out the milk in milliliters. So there is need to multiply it with the 1000 because 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliter. So 1.5 multiply it with 1000. Decimal will be shifted 3 places ahead. Answer will be 1500 ml. So total students are 5. So milk distributed among each student how much milk will get is equals to 1500 division 5 divided in within 5 students. So equals to 1500 divided with 5, answer will be 300 ml. So each student will get milk is equals to 300 ml. Similarly, next problem, that is if 1 inch is equals to 2.54 centimeter, then how many inches will 60.96 centimeter make? So 1 inch is equals to 2.54 centimeter. Number of inches can be made from 60.96 centimeter is equals to 60.96 divided with 2.54 centimeter. So in dividend as well as in divisor, both are having decimals. So already we have done method how we have to just divide the decimal form. So first we remove the decimal. After removing decimal, it will be 6096 over 100 division 254 over 100. Division is there, it will be changed into multiplication, and the number after division will be reciprocal. So 6096 over 100 multiply 100 over 254. So 100 will be cancelled out with 100. So answer is 6096 divided with 254. Answer is 24 inches. So number of inches can be made from 60.96, that is 24 inches. Next is the product of two numbers is 18.576. If one of them is 5.4, find the other. Product of two numbers given and one number is already given, we have to find out the second number, or we can say other number. So first step will be one number is equals to 5.4 and product is equals to 18.576. So we know product is equals to first number multiply it with second number. So write down the value of product, that is 18.576 is equals to first number 5.4 multiply second number. So second number is equals to 18.576 divide 5.4. That 5.4 will be under division. So now both the numbers are decimal numbers. So remove the decimals first of all. 18,576 over 1000. Division will be changed into multiplication. 54 over 10 will be reciprocal as 10 by 54. 1 0 can be cancelled out here, and leftover number is 185.76 division 54. So after division you will get that answer is 3.144. So other number is equals to 3.44. Next is a car covers a distance of 198.22 km in 4.4 hours. Find the distance covered in 1 hour. The distance covered in 4.4 hours is given and we have to find out the distance covered in 1 hour. Then there is need to go for division. So write down the distance covered by a car is equals to 198.22 kilometer and the time taken by car is equals to 4.4 hours. So distance travel in 1 hour is equals to 98.22 divide with 4.4. Firstly remove the decimals, then go for division. As if we will remove the decimal of 19,822 over 100 division 44 over 10. So division will be converted into multiplication and the number after division will be reciprocal. So 19,822 over 100 multiply 10 over 44. 1 0 can be cancelled out here and the left number is 1982.2 divide with 44. Whenever you will divide it, then you will get answer that is 45.05 kilometer. This means the distance traveled by a car in 1 hour is equals to 45.05 kilometer. So next is, I have two gold rings weighing 7.534 gram and 5300 milligram. Identify the heavier ring after converting the rings into the same unit. Means to say we have to convert the weight of both rings into the same unit and then identify which is the heavier ring. So first step will be weight of the first ring is equals to 7.534 gram and the weight of second ring is equals to 5300 milligram, that is given in the milligrams and here it is given in the grams. So it's up to you students how you want to convert it. As I have converted the 1 gram is equals to 1000 milligram. I have converted the gram into milligram. So 7.534 multiply it with 1000 equals to, decimal will be shifted 3 places ahead, it will be 7534 milligram. So already second ring is in milligram and first ring we have converted into milligram. Now you have to see both the weight of the rings which is heavier. As I come to know about this, 7534 number is greater than 5300. So the weight of 7534 gram ring is more than 5300 milligram ring. So first ring is heavier than the second ring.